Hola clase. This video is going to show you guys how to get a green screen just using your computer without actually using a green screen. So to record your screen, I would suggest using Screencast-O-Matic. You can go here and launch the free recorder. It gives you a couple different options of recording a video that has your face in it as well as your screen, or just your face, or just the screen. So right now I'm using a video to record, obviously, just my screen. You can see what's here on that. So this, step one, start using Screencast-O-Matic. I think it's the easiest. Then what you can do is if you open up your Zoom, right? Now you might not have a Zoom account. You can download it and you can use a free account and open up Zoom. If you start a personal meeting, you're going to see your face in the middle of that meeting. Now, I've set it up so that there's a background image here so that it looks like I'm in front of the University of Salamanca. If I want to change that, I come down here to the video button and I choose virtual background. I've already loaded some images here. So I can pretend like I'm in Spanish class, right? I'm in front of some of those posters. That's a fine option. I can also come over here and pretend like I am in front of the river, right? The El Río Tormes in Salamanca. So if I've chosen a background now and I've got Zoom open, my face is open because I've started a Zoom call and I've got a background image in that Zoom call, so it looks like a green screen. And if I'm recording with Screencast-O-Matic, I'm making this video. When you hit the pause button, you can click done. And when you're done, it then pops up another screen. And in that screen, you can choose to upload your video, which you don't want to do unless you have a YouTube page that you want to upload it to, or download the video file. That's what I suggest doing, because if you download the video file, you can embed that video file into your PowerPoint. So once I'm back in my PowerPoint, what I can do over here is come to Insert. Right, I've downloaded my video, I'm back in PowerPoint, I click Insert, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to go to Video. And if you uploaded it to YouTube, you can pick online video, but I downloaded it to my PC. So I'm going to click Video on my PC. I'm going to go to Desktop because I just wanted to keep it in one quick, easy spot. And this is the page about the university. So I'm going to go and find my university video right here. I'm going to insert it. It's going to take a minute. I'm then going to make it smaller and put it over here. I'm going to drop it down to the bottom of the screen. Now I've got a video file that has been inserted into this page so that when you're going through your PowerPoint, we go to this slide and then we can see this, right? We can read the slide information and then we can come over here and play your video, right? You can make it a little bit bigger if you want to. You can make it a little bit smaller. You can always, I believe later, we can make it full size.
Otro punto que debes visitar es la Universidad de Salamanca.
See, there's my video playing within my PowerPoint. So the steps to remember are that you should first, one, go to Screencast-O-Matic. I think that's the easiest one to use. It's the simplest. It's pretty straightforward. Two, within Screencast-O-Matic, you're going to choose to record your screen, not your face. Three, you're going to open up Zoom, which might mean that you need to download Zoom. It can be free. You can have free calls of up to 30 minutes or something like that. And with Zoom, you can choose a virtual background. And there you can pick any picture that you've already put into your slides. So you don't have to find new pictures. You can use the one from your slides, save them to your computer, and then input them into your virtual background. Right? If you don't already have ones here, you go to this plus symbol and go add image. Right? And it can take you to your photos, right? Like if I wanted to have a photo of my brother's dog, right? Oh my gosh, he's attacking me, right? So we've switched the image. So come here, go to virtual background. I can then pick one that I've already uploaded, or I can hit the plus button and go add image, right? And by adding an image, I have to go to my downloaded images and pick a new one, right? Like if I want a photo of Cape Cod, here we go. Boom, I'm on the beach. Look at that. So it takes a few steps and it's going to take a couple things, right? You're going to need Screencast-O-Matic and you're going to need Zoom. and then you're going to need a photo that you can upload. But the idea here is that you create a green screen so it looks like you're in front of it. It's not perfect, right? You can see little pieces as the green screen breaks down here. I'm in front of a window in another classroom. But it'll at least make it a little bit more interesting than just being your face, right? So I think this adds to your project a little bit.